Hello children, hope you all are doing well. As you know that we have started chapter 3, which is operation on large numbers, and we have covered two topics from this chapter, which are addition and subtraction. Also we have started multiplication from the chapter, and we have done a simple example from the multiplication. Now we will discuss large numbers multiplication in this e-session. So here we have one example that multiply 23,841 with 1,642. So first rule says that first we place all the digits according to their places in column wise. So we are placing the digits over here. In this digit you can see it's a 5-digit number. So we are placing the digits ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. And first we will write this multiplicand from ones place, and it is 1, 4, 8, 3, 2. And then we will write this multiplier from this place, which is ones place, 2, 4, 6, 1. And we place one cross which shows that this is a multiplication sum. So before starting, first we write the name of these two terms. The first term, which is to be multiplied with the multiplier, is known as multiplicand. And the second term by which we multiply the multiplicand is multiplier. Multiplier. Now we start the multiplication with this place, which is ones place of the multiplier. So we multiply this digit with the multiplicand, which is a multiplicand. So we start the multiplication from here. 2 multiply with 1. 2 ones are 2. Now we multiply it with tens place. 2 fours are 8 and 2 eights are 16. 1 carry which will be on the left place, which is 1000 place. Now 2 threes are 6, 6 plus 1, 7, and at last 2 twos are 4. Children, here we have done the multiplication with this digit, which is the ones digit of the multiplier. Now we go for the next digit, which is the tens digit of this multiplier. But before starting the multiplication with this digit, first we place one cross, as we have done the multiplication for ones place, and this cross has a value of 0. Now we multiply this 4 with the multiplicand. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 6 over here, and 1 carry which will be on the left place. Now 4 eights are 32, 32 plus 1, it's 33. So 3 over here, and again 3 carry which will be on the left place here. Now 4 threes are 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. So 5 over here and 1 carry which is here. Now 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Now we have done the multiplication with 4, which is the tens place, and then we are moving to next place, which is hundreds place, and here we got the product for the tens place. Now before starting the multiplication for the next place, we erase these carries and we will place 3 or 4 new carries for the next digit. Now we multiply this 6 with all the digits of multiplicand. So 6 ones are, but before starting, first we place 2 cross. That we have done 2-digit multiplication over here, ones and tens digits. So we are placing 2 cross. Now 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24, 4 over here and carry 2. 8s are 48. 48 plus 2, it's 50. 0 here and carry 5. Now 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5, it's 23. So 3 here and 2 carry, which is here. So 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Now we have done the multiplication of hundreds place. So we move for the next place, which is thousand place. And we will write the product of these numbers over here. But before starting, first we place 3 cross. Children, here you can see that when we done the multiplication with this 2 and we are moving to 4, then we have put 1 cross. And then when we went to 6, we have put 2 cross. So for moving next to next number, we have to increase the number of cross over here. For the thousand place, we will put 3 cross. And then we multiply this one with the multiplicand. 1 1s are 1. 1 4s are 4. 1 8s are 8. And 1 3s are 3. 1 2s are 2. Here you can see that when we multiply a number, a large number with 1, we are getting the number itself. Here 23,841 and we got 23,841. Now we got 4 product. Here first product, which is a product for 23,841 with 2. And the second line is the product for 23,841 with tens place, which is 40. Our third line is a product for hundreds place, which is 600. And this fourth line is a product for this place, which is 1000. Now we add these 4 products to get the final product of this multiplication. So we are adding from this place and these crosses have the value of 0. We can imagine 0 at the place of cross. So 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, it's 2. 8 plus 4, it's 12. 12 plus 0 plus 0, it's 12. And 1 carry, which is over here. Now 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 9 over here and carry 1, which is here. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. And 15 plus 1, 8, 16. So 6 over here and carry over 1. Now 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 4, it's 14. 4 here and 1 carry over. Now 9 plus 1, it's 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 8, it's 21. So 1 here and 2 carry. Now 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, it's 9. And 2 plus 1, 3. So we added all these 3 products to get the final product, which is 3 crore 91 lakh 46,922. This is product of this multiplication. So in this way you can do the multiplication for large numbers, and in the next video you will be learning about division. So till then, bye.